Hey guys, so the all new electric water bladder from Cobra 4x4. So this thing has some amazing features. All you gotta do is connect it straight up to your accessories. Look in here, we'll connect it straight up to the accessories. Now you can run a wire that's just gonna stay on, or you can connect it and disconnect it whenever you like. It's got a switch, as you can see. Connect up the hose, and guys, check out this amazing feature. You can just pull this thing out, connect it up, and now we're going to turn it on. You can pull it out even more, and it's got a stopper, so I can go this far out. Check that out. Look at that pressure. All right, guys. So I'm going to stand here, and I'm going to spray the car from here. How awesome is that? There's some awesome features on this. If you come up here, you can lock this into place. You can put it on your roof racks if you want. You can adjust it. That side there is really adjustable as well. You can fill it up from the top. You can add some more accessories there if you like as well. We have a whole bunch of electric water tanks. We've got some pressure water tanks. We've got some water bladders. We've got a whole heap. And the price you'll be paying is probably half of what you'll be paying from all the other sellers. So check them out on Osbest Steels, www.osbeststeels.com.au today. Boom.